Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Ria Money transfer account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to download and install Ria Money transfer application from Google Play Store or App Store. If you are new to this application, its icon looks something like this. It's orange color. So make sure that you download and install the official Ria Money transfer application. Now, once you have downloaded and installed it successfully, you need to tap on the open button in order to launch the application. And once you launch it, the interface of this app will look something like this. So with the help of Ria Money transfer, you can send money to over 190 plus countries worldwide. So here you need to tap on the register button because we are new customer and we want to open a new account. So you need to select the country of residence. By default it will show United States, but you need to simply tap on this particular icon and then you will see the country of residence. So basically it is asking you whether you reside in United States. So if you do, select yes. If not, select no, and then select or change your country. Then you need to provide your email address and your password, and then you just have to simply press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to provide further details relating to your account, like your bank details or your card details, because those details will be used to basically transfer the money from your account. So Ria Money is going to ask you for that, and then you just have to simply submit your application and you will be able to start using a Ria Money transfer account in 2025. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.